Alright, I'm going to show you a quick video tutorial on how to get Cube installed on your phone. That way you can get your audio recordings. You're going to open up your app store first and run a search for Cube ACR. Cube ACR. ACR stands for Automatic Call Recorder. You're going to click on that and we're going to hit install. And then give it just a moment to install. And I'm going to walk you through the steps in order to get this application working correctly. Most of your Android devices will have the same questions on there. It comes you, but to keep anybody from being confused on, because there's a couple settings that you do have to change. So once installed, we're going to open it. You have to open it in order to activate it and change the settings, otherwise it's not recording. So on this screen, we want to grant permissions for storage, microphone, phone, and contacts in order to be able to display your contacts that are in your phone, make phone calls, use the microphone for recording, and grant storage permissions to save the recordings. Allow, allow, allow. All right, on the next screen, we need to enable overlay permission to display the control widget on the screen. We're going to say enable. It's going to kick us right to the screen, and we turn this on, and then we hit the back button. The next setting is accessibility services permission to be able to access the recording feature built into the phone. We're going to say enable. Mine is right here at the top. It may be down if you don't see it up at the top, but mine is right here. So I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to turn that on. Get observe actions, retrieve window content. We're going to say OK. I'm going to hit back. It says disable power optimization for Cube. I'm going to hit OK, got it, because that allows it to be able to record the telephone calls and not like be monitored by the phone or mess with the phone, with the services, or turn it off. Give it just a moment to load. Now on this next screen, it is going to show only the apps that have been optimized on your phone by the built-in operating system. So once this screen loads, right up here, there's a green bar and it says not optimized. We're going to hit this drop down tab and we're going to change it to all apps, because right now it's only showing what's being optimized by the phone. After you change it to all apps, it's going to load up all of the apps on the phone. And you're going to scroll down. I've got quite a few installed. It shows all the services as well. There's Cube, and it says optimizing battery use. We're going to click on that, and we're going to say don't optimize, and then we're going to say done. All right. After we say done, we're going to back out of this screen. Once we back out of this screen, Cube is now working. So there's only one other setting that you have to change, and I'm going to show you why. So we're going to go to make a phone call rather quickly. And whenever I go to make this telephone call, you'll notice it pops up on the screen, interact with. So whenever I go to make this telephone call, oh, it didn't pop up. It will pop up on yours. So I'm going to make it pop up on mine. And then I'm going to show you what you need to change. So whenever you're going to go make a phone call, ignore that calling Google Voice. That's something that I have on my phone specifically. This widget right here, this will be purple. Mine says recording failed because I'm using the app in order to record this for you. But this little widget needs to be off of your screen, because if you make a call to an insurance company, you hold the screen up next to your phone, or the phone up next to your face, it will accidentally push that button. It will turn off the recording and you will have to do it again. So we're going to open up Cube, and underneath miscellaneous settings, you're going to hit these three bars in the top left hand corner. That's going to access your settings menu. You're going to go down here to miscellaneous, and you're going to scroll down a little bit. Right there it says user interface, and it says hide recording widget, and we're going to turn that on. That way it turns the widget off and it gets rid of it. Now we're going to hit the back button, and here's all of my phone calls that have been recorded. Just because your phone calls are being recorded does not mean I can hear them. I'm going to hit these in order to share anything with me. Right there next to the time on the right hand side, here's a call at the top that I made with my dad earlier. We're going to hit these three dots, and we're going to say select. So now it's selected. Now at the trash can up in the top right hand corner, there's three dots that are connected right there next to it. We're going to hit that, and then you will hit Outlook, Gmail, whatever you have on phone. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to hit Outlook because I know that it works. After I hit Outlook, it's going to load Outlook, and you'll see that it automatically attached to the recording, and all of the recordings will get sent to Steven at Safe Smart Auto Glass. All right, and then the subject line will be the customer. So if the customer's name is Jane Smith, that's what you'll put in the subject line, and then you'll simply hit send. And it's that simple. It goes out, it's done. After you've sent out the call recording, then you take and you open up the GroupMe app and you send over the picture of the deal. And that's it.